First question, for causal signal x of n, z transform x of z is. And for causal signal, this x of n is equal to 0 for n less than 0. For causal signal, we have the value when x greater than or equal to 0. So the equation for z transform of this x of z for causal signal, that is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity x of n z power minus n. We have the value when n greater than or equal to 0. So this is the answer. So answer here is B. Second question, inverse z transform of x of z by a is. And this is scaling property. Using scaling property, we know x of a power n x of n, that is equal to x of z by a. So this is known as scaling property of z transform. So the inverse transform of this x of z by a is a power n into x of n. So here the answer is C. Third question, ROC of x of n contains. Answer here is C, no poles. The ROC of x of n contains no poles because x of z must be finite for all z for convergence. So region of convergence here, ROC of x of n contains no poles because x of z must be finite for all n value. So there cannot be a pole for ROC. So answer here is C. Next question, z transform of x of n minus n naught is. And using the time shifting property, x of n minus n naught, that is equal to z power minus n naught into x of z. So this is known as time shifting property. So using that property, we can find the answer for this question is A. Next question, convolution of two sequence x1 of n and x2 of n. Convolution of two sequences are equal to multiplication in z domain. So here the answer is x1 of z into x2 of z. B is the answer. Sixth question, ROC of the z transform of unit sequence is. And if you find here x of n, that is equal to u of n. So finding z transform, we will get z by z minus 1. This is a z transform of this u of n. So the region of conversion, that is ROC, this z greater than 1. From that we can find z greater than 1. So the ROC of this unit sequence is z greater than 1. So here the answer is B. Next question, z transform of n into x of n is. And again using the differentiation of z transform property, here we have n into x of n, that is equal to minus z differentiation of this z transform of this x of n. So this is the differentiation of z transform property. So multiplication of signal with n into x of n, that is given as in z domain, that is equal to minus z differentiation of that z transform. So here the answer is D. Next question, a system is said to be BIBO stable, that is bounded input bounded output stable if summation of n is equal to minus infinity to infinity h of n is. And for condition for stability, this h of n, the summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity h of n must less than infinity, that is absolutely summable, that property. So in this case the system said to be BIBO stable. So here the answer is less than infinity. D is the answer. Next question, ROC of unilateral z transform is always. And for unilateral z transform, the ROC is always outside the circle in the z plane. for unilateral Z transform, and it includes Z is equal to infinity. So here the answer is B, outside the circle in the Z plane. B is the answer. 10th question, Z transform of del of n is equal to 1. So here the answer is E. And 11th question, consider the sequence x of n that is equal to a power n into u of n plus b power n into u of n, where u of n denotes the unit step sequence and value a is greater than 0 but less than b, but b is greater than a and less than 1. The ROC of Z transform of x of n is and here for a power n u of n we have the ROC Z greater than a. Similarly, we have b of n into u of n, ROC is Z greater than b. But here the condition is b greater than a and greater than less than 1. So the ROC satisfy this condition, Z greater than b. So here the answer is B, Z greater than b, because a is less than this b. So here the answer is Z greater than b. B is the answer. Next question, let x of n is equal to minus 1 by 9 the power n u of n minus 1 by 3 power n into u of minus n minus 1. ROC of Z transform of x of n is and this kind of question. So consider this, the ROC of this condition, that is equal to Z less than 1 by 3 for u of minus n minus 1, the condition. So just memorize this condition. When u of minus n minus 1, the ROC is Z minus 1 by 3, but in normal case and for this condition the ROC is Z greater than 1 by 9, that is modulus value, so we will take 1 by 9. So taking this both condition, the ROC become 1 by 3 Z less than this 1 by 3, and we can write this as Z less than this 1 by 3 and greater than this 1 by 9. So here the answer is C. 13th question, what is the Z transform of the following finite duration signal? X of n is equal to 245701, and the value started with, this means this x of 0 value is 5. So considering this x of 0 is equal to 5, we will get the answer 2 into z power 2 plus 4z plus 5z power 0. So this is 1. So z power 0, this become 1 here. So the answer here is 5, and z power 7, z power minus 1, and this is 5. 3. Z power minus 2, the value is 0, so that value becomes 0, and this one is z power minus 3. So here the answer is D. 14th question, what is the Z transform of signal x of n is equal to 0.5 power n into u of n, and we know the value Z transform for a power n into u of n, that is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus z power 1 into a. So this is the transform of this condition, and here a value is 0.5, and also ROC is that Z greater than a, and this is a condition for a power n into u of n, and here a value is 0.5. So putting a is equal to 0.5, we will get 1 divided by 1 minus 0.5 z power minus 1 with ROC Z greater than 0.5. So here the answer is 1 divided by 1 minus 0.5 z power minus 1 into and ROC, that is greater than 0.5. So A is the answer. 15th question, the Z transform of a sequence x of n which is given as x of z, that is equal to summation of n is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z power minus n is known as, and here x, n is equal to minus infinity to infinity. So this is known as bilateral Z transform. When n is equal to 0 to infinity, that is known as unilateral Z transform. When n is equal to minus infinity to infinity, this is known as bilateral Z transform. So here the answer is B.